Turning now to the upcoming impeachment trial of President Donald Trump. It's set to get started Tuesday, and this morning the president's new legal team and impeachment managers are previewing the case. CBS 4's Nikole Killion is traveling with the president in West Palm Beach.
President Trump spent part of the day at his golf club while his legal team submitted its formal answer to the articles of impeachment, calling them a dangerous attack on the right of the American people to freely choose their president and constitutionally invalid.
Impeaching a president is one of the most monumentous things you can do in our country.
Former Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi is one of several lawyers on the president's new roster, along with other big names like former independent prosecutor Ken Starr and constitutional expert Alan Dershowitz, who says his role will be limited.
I'm only going to appear on behalf of the Constitution, making the arguments against impeachment based on the Constitution.
A source working with the impeachment team confirmed Dershowitz and Starr won't be everyday participants in the trial, with each member having a specific lane. The White House plans a three-pronged defense strategy, arguing the impeachment articles allege no violation of law. The Senate trial is a product of a flawed process in the House, and the case collapses on the facts.
They're trying to impeach the son of a. Can you believe that?
On Capitol Hill, House impeachment managers filed a trial brief establishing the president is guilty of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, asserting his conduct is the framers' worst nightmare. It follows a document dumped Friday by Democrats with more evidence from Lev Parnas, an associate of Rudy Giuliani.
With all of that in consideration, I think it's vital for the Senate to hear witnesses.
With the trial set to start Tuesday, senators balancing jury and campaign duty tried to make the most of their time this weekend.
I'm not canceling events, and that is how I run my life and how I'm going to run this campaign to the very end. We're just going to have to double down and work even harder.
While all senators will be present for the trial, the president may not. He's expected to travel abroad to Davos next week for an economic forum. Nikole, Killion, CBS News, West Palm Beach.